Hello friends and welcome to another lecture of Neo English Hub, and today we are going to learn continuous present tense. Before we move ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe our channel so that we get supported and you also don't miss any update. And if you start learning on our channel, you can learn English communication, English grammar skills step by steps in a very effective manner. So here we have continuous present tense and its formula on your screen: positive and negative. The positive says subject plus emisa plus verb ing plus object. Negative subject plus emisa plus not plus verb ing plus object. If I talk about the usage of am, is, are, then am is used with I always. Is used in all the singular nouns and pronouns and subjects, and are is used in plural subjects and pronouns. So, and verb ing means the ing form of the verb. So let's move on guys ahead. And those who want to start learning only tenses on our channel, they don't want to start learning from the very first lecture, they can start learning the tenses from lecture number 12 itself. So let's move ahead guys, and you can write down by pausing the video whatever you can see on your screen at the moment. So on the next screen we are going to see the practice sentences one by one. First sentence: the students are giving board exam this month. The students are not giving board exam this month. So no, next month, sorry. So here if I talk about the structures of the sentences, the subject is written first as always in active sentences, followed by am, is, are, verb ing, object, board exam here in this sentence, and this month. The words indicating time and place would come at the last, so that we don't get confused while making sentences in terms of writing or speaking. Second sentence is appearing on your screen: Leo English Hub is presenting a lecture every day. Leo English Hub is not presenting a story today. So that's it for these two sentences. Don't skip the video because we are going to going to present 8 more sentences in totaling 10 sentences. So on the next screen we have 2 more sentences. The third sentence: people are going to take holy bath in Mahakund. People are not going to take bath in a small kund. So that is the negative sentence. That the negative sentences are designed in such a way that they don't change the meaning of positive itself. Fourth sentence: the government is welcoming people. The government is not welcoming people. You can write more sentences and number of sentences as you want, because it would give you access to more vocabulary and more sentence structures. Here if I talk about the fourth sentence, you can write devotees instead of people. The government is welcoming devotees, and you can expand this idea and make many more sentences to practice this particular tense of continuous present tense. So don't forget to write down all these sentences into your note. You can pause the video if I am moving quickly. On the next screen the fifth sentence is appearing: I am making mistakes while writing sentences. I am not making mistakes while writing sentences. So these sentences are of such nature that they represent very practical themes and very practical criteria, sixth sentence is on your screen: our sir is drawing a picture before explaining us. Our sir isn't rubbing a picture before explaining us. So all these sentences are of current affairs, the things that are happening around us. So you also try making sentences like this, and you can practice the tenses as well. If you have any doubts regarding anything, any verb or any word, you can comment. You can use comment section and I would reply you as soon as possible. Seventh sentence: my friend is speaking English by practicing. My friend is not speaking English by mugging up things. Eighth sentence: I am also thinking to speak good English. I am not thinking to just write good English. So these are positive negative combination sentences which can enable you to have exposure over your language skills, and you can communicate in both positive and negative. Many times it happens that many students, many people, they struggle while communicating in negative, because negative sentences have some alterations and particularly If I talk about first two tenses of simple present and simple past, there are some alterations and modification in terms of grammar rules. So negative sentences are crucial to practice as well. Let's move on to the next screen, and we have last two sentences, number 9 and 10 on your screen at the moment. We are utilizing the time by learning English. We are not wasting the time by learning English. All these skills are, though they are of basic nature, but they play an important role in our communication, in our studies, in our day-to-day life, in our work, at our workplace as well. So don't undermine the importance of all these sentences and practicing these sentences. You will have to make n number of sentences on based on these 10 sentences. These 10 sentences are full of variety of grammatical structures in terms of grammatical rules like by, while, after, before, double verbs. If I talk about the last sentence, the schools are giving students a vacation, the schools are not giving teachers a vacation. So guys, stay tuned on our channel for more informative lectures like this, and I hope this lecture will put some light on the difficulties that you are facing. And don't forget to comment and like our channel and videos, subscribe our channel, and share it to your friends and family, so that they get an opportunity to learn such an easy learning of grammar and other English skills. Thank you very much guys for joining us today. Thank you so much.